What I get most about coming to work every day is restoring the joy of living to my patients. When someone has an endocrine disorder, it can really take the joy out of living. As endocrinologists, we can restore that imbalance and the happiness of living, and that is the greatest reward. I am just very proud to be part of this internationally renowned house of healing, because that really is what Mount Sinai is.
Donald Bergman is a true citizen of Mount Sinai. He is a former president of the Mount Sinai Alumni Association, a nationally renowned endocrinologist. Don is the recipient of multiple prestigious awards.
I started here at Mount Sinai in 1971. All of my postgraduate after medical school training, except for 1 year, took place at Mount Sinai. The valuable lesson was talk less, listen more, observe, and this is what I learned from physician after physician at Mount Sinai.
Donald is a master clinician, truly a doctor's doctor, for thyroid disease and osteoporosis. He is loved and trusted by his patients.
I just ask one question: how can I help you? And that's all I have to ask. It's a simple approach, but it's worked for all these 40-some-odd years.
People can learn from Dr. Don Bergman how to be a truly outstanding clinician. The truly wonderful clinicians are the people who can customize the care very individually for their patients.
Time is everything. For each new patient that I see, I book 2 hours. Patients have to feel that at that moment, they're the only person in that whole office, and that I have the time to listen to what they have to say.
He doesn't give up. He's very persistent. He's a sleuth to get to the cause of the person's problem.
In the case of osteoporosis, when I first went into practice, there was no treatment available. And people just accepted the idea that as you got older, you would fracture. Now we can prevent fractures, dramatically adding to the quality of a person's life. We can literally get rid of disease by either replacing a missing hormone or by suppressing the overproduction of another hormone.
Don Bergman's greatest accomplishments have been in teaching generations of our endocrine fellows about bone disease.
I'm proud to be involved in training the next generation of physicians and try to inspire them to take complex endocrine problems and find a simple solution, passing on my passion for caring for patients.
I was really delighted when I heard that Don Bergman had received the Jacobi Award. We are honoring a man who has been the quintessential physician, an outstanding teacher, and provided extraordinary service to Mount Sinai and to his patients.
The idea that the awards committee has chosen to give me this award is wonderful. I would like to thank my family. My wife, Susan, we've been married for 50 years. I'd like to thank my second family, the people that I work with. I would like to acknowledge the people who supported my nomination. The legacy that I want to leave behind is that I was a good teacher and a good physician. I want people to remember me for compassionate care and that I did make things better for those patients and provided an inspiration for those medical students and those endocrine fellows that I've had the pleasure to teach.